Welcome back to FlockBase video tutorials. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the dashboard, the main screen that you'll see first every time you log into FlockBase. The dashboard exists to give you some at-a-glance information as soon as you log in. The version of FlockBase that we're going to be looking at is the Combined program, which is available on all of our online plans and on the Combined desktop program. If you're using the standalone versions of FlockBase membership and/or FlockBase accounting on your desktop, then your dashboard will not have all of the pieces seen here. At the top of the screen, you'll see what's called the Account Overview. The first information we see has to do with people. This shows us how many groups we've got, how many households are connected to our church, and how many members are in those households, in addition to payees, the people whom you pay. Let's take a moment and talk about what member means in FlockBase. There are churches of many denominations using FlockBase, and in yours, membership to your church might mean something very particular. However, in FlockBase, all member means is that this person is a member of a household to which your church is in some way connected, whether they're visitors, regular attenders, or fully fledged members of the church. Below that, we see information on how much the church has taken in contributions, how that factors into total income, and how much the church has spent during this calendar year. Because of how the dashboard is set up to follow contributions, which are acknowledged by the calendar year, all totals are by calendar year, not fiscal year. You may find that your income is higher than total contributions. All that means is that your church is somehow taking in money from something other than contributions, whether that's rent income, investment dividends, or proceeds from an event. Below that, we've got a graph breaking down the cash position of 3 of our bank accounts. These will be the first 3 bank accounts created in your chart of accounts. We've also got a day-to-day graph of contributions. At the bottom, there is a further breakdown of how much has been contributed to each purpose during the year. This takes the total contributed number from the top and shows to which purpose those donations have gone. Next to that is our running total in each fund. These numbers are not limited to this year, as FlockBase is designed for fund accounting, so fund balances roll over from year to year. To the right of the fund balance, we either see a green number showing growth in that fund balance during this year, or we see a red number showing a decrease in that fund balance this year. This has been a brief overview of the FlockBase dashboard. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions for us about the contents of this video or anything else, just let us know and we'll be happy to help. As always, I hope God continues to bless your ministry.